Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you are in good conditions. Yeah, today, as our schedule, we are going to continue our material. So, thank you for all you have submitted the task, and for who don't or haven't submitted yet, please submit today ya, the last. Oke, kemarin kita udah diskusi, kemudian sharing. Your opinion is great. Jadi masing-masing dari teman-teman mempunyai opini yang berbeda-beda untuk pernyataan ataupun masalah-masalah terkait playing the rules. Jadi untuk selanjutnya ini di part 4 ya, di bagian 4 you have listening section. So for the listening section, please enjoy and just listen carefully and find the best answer. Listening ini sini ada changing times. Di situ tinggal memilih statement yang benar dan yang salah. Kemudian bagian kelima, the same. For the part 6 itu coba teman-teman pahami dan jika mana perlu teman-teman bisa menulis juga jawaban terkait bagian ke-6 baik menulis maupun membuat voice note. Tapi hal ini tidak bersifat wajib dikumpulkan. Melainkan teman-teman bersiap-siap saja di bagian ke-6 ini teman-teman you can handle this kind of part. So next it's about the model question form di bagian ke-7 in part 7. Try to look at the table and complete the rows. Lihat di table ya model questions. Model kemarin we have discussed and you have already know can, shall, ya kan, have itu kan, itu masuk model. So di sini question formnya apalagi bersifat short question form itu tinggal kayak dibuat can you work from home, yang mana jawabannya akan antara yes ataupun no. Do you need to ask for permissions? Does she have to go in for meeting? So should all companies do this? So the answer, it should be yes or no. So please read it. Dan untuk bagian-bagian selanjutnya, yaitu part 8, work with partner, ask and answer question about roles in your place of work or study. Ini cukup ditulis saja ya sebagai latihan. Jadi teman-teman tinggal mengubah kemudian juga menjawab sebagaimana contohnya. Like lihat contohnya yang di bagian A dan B. Can you work from home some days? Yes, I can, but I have to get permission first. So di sini question and answers already provided. You just have to put the model on it, on the question and also on the answer. So actually it's so simple. Yeah, just write it down on your Word as usual. Nah, because it's impossible for us to make a group, but actually you can share your opinion with your partner through the WhatsApp group or the WhatsApp call or by the phone. It's okay. Okay. In part 9 over there is about speaking. Of course, sama speaking itu you have to speak out about the topic, and the topic here is about the meeting guideline, right? So in the meeting guideline, if based on the model, you have to work in a pairs or group, find out about some of the meeting that you need to attend. Who are they with? What are they about? are any meeting in English? What language do people speak? Ini sebenarnya diskusi saja. Atau jika teman-teman you can solve this kind of problem with your own, yeah, please do it. And it's better for you to write down first your opinion about the answer of each questions here, or if you feel better to make a group or what cooperate or collaborate with your friends about the question is answer, let's do it. Jika dirasa bisa sendiri silahkan, ataupun bertanya sharing idea with your friends, okay. Tapi here yang bagian 9 ini nggak perlu disubmit. Nanti ada beberapa saja yang kalau misalkan yang perlu disubmit, nanti Mister simpulkan di akhir ya. Next, also part 10, discuss how people should behave in a meeting. Oke. Mister baca dulu yang itu, kemudian yang 11 yang mana? Oh ini, create some meeting guideline. Okay, it's similar with part 10, nanti disimpulkan. Kemudian for 12, describing changes, it's about the good changes, ya, or too bad changes. For example, change to working hour, dress code, security procedure, meeting procedure, and etc. Oke, Mister simpulkan. Jadi untuk bagian 9 tadi ya, silahkan diskusi aja. It's your own practice. No need to submit for the task, but for the part 10, 11, and 12 disimpulkan seperti ini. Untuk bagian nomor 10, bagian 10, 11, dan 12, untuk 10 C. Okay, 10, 11. So you have a what here? Sample ya, in writing for making the rules or the rules or regulation in the meeting, like arriving late, shaking hand off with everyone the meeting begins. Okay, so maksud nomor 10 itu sebenarnya kan discuss ya with your partner. I think you have your own idea, even you don't have to discuss with your partner. Pasti bisa teman-teman make your own idea. What do you think about arriving late for attending the meeting? Pasti enggak, ya kan? Pasti enggak. So, and then yeah, part 10. Yeah, please make a voice note aja. Here, what do you think about arriving late to the meeting? Of course, you have to say like this. In my opinion, arriving late to the meeting is forbidden because it will disturb the meeting guideline or the meeting procedure. So how about number 2 until number 8? Tadi contohnya nomor 1 tentang arriving late gitu ya. Silakan masing-masing give the opinion. Kira-kira boleh enggak, kenapa, or setelah misalkan boleh atau enggak gitu kan. Misalkan enggak boleh, kasih tahu reasonnya why. Kalau misalkan pun boleh, maybe you have to share about your reason too. Kemudian kalau misalkan baik boleh ataupun tidak, if you have another idea for having like this of the guideline ya, kira-kira apa? Misal kayak eating snack. In some occasion of meeting, we are allowed to have snack or to eat snack, yeah. But somehow also in the meeting, we are not allowed to have a snack. Why? Nah, why? Dikasih tahu kenapa boleh, kenapa enggak, misalkan gitu ya. Silakan. Itu yang bagian 10. Nah, adapun bagian 11, create some meeting guideline. Agree on some ways people should behave in a meeting. Kemudian read your guideline to the class. Bagian kedua nomor 11 itu nggak mungkin ya karena kita we are not in the offline class. Tapi cukup bikin saja guideline yang mungkin teman-teman bisa terinspirasi. You can take from part 10. Dan contohnya like people need to arrive on time. Jadi di situ paling aturan-aturannya itu teman-teman bikin in complete sentence. Misalkan arriving late itu kan nggak boleh. So people do not people are not allowed to arrive late. Itu kalau negatifnya. Kalau positifnya people must arrive on time, misalkan gitu ya. So on. Oke. Mungkin bisa sama dengan yang bagian 10, tetapi dihitungannya berbeda, ditulisnya agak sedikit berbeda. Oke, itu jadi nomor 10 tadi bikin voice note, nomor 11 itu bikin your own guideline meeting, ditulis itu. Nomor 9 juga bagian 9 maksudnya. Bagian 12 ya. Ya, nomor bagian 12 itu teman-teman bikin email, contohnya ada di sampingnya, itu bikin perubahan yang baik, to good changes. Kira-kira apa kan kalau di situ tadi mungkin tentang working hour lah, ngomongin working hour in your email, kemudian baik itu tentang security, tentang dress code, it's okay. Jadi writing ya. Oke. Dan untuk selanjutnya di situ kan ada reading and speaking about mind games. Ini sih tidak mister tugaskan. Cukup teman-teman baca, pahami, dan silakan bermain dengan playing the roles of the main mind game here. Ya, main games. Itu aja karena bagian page 31 and 32 itu about playing the game. So you have to read, understand about the rule of the game. Oke, paling itu aja untuk pertemuan sekarang ya teman-teman, masih seperti biasa. Jadi ada latihan yang harus teman-teman tulis dan ada juga latihan yang teman-teman bikin voice note-nya. Dan hanya beberapa tadi yang disebutkan Mister. Kemudian jangan lupa untuk di-submit on LMS. Dan bagi teman-teman yang belum mengumpulkan tugasnya yang sebelumnya, Mister tunggu hari ini. Ya, paling lambat ya. Oke, jadi coba Mister simpulkan lagi. Bagian 8 ditulis. Ya, untuk questions and answers seperti apa. Kemudian bagian 10-11, 10-nya itu you have to share your idea on the voice note. Bagian 11 creating some meeting guidelines, itu ditulis. Kemudian ditulis juga yang bagian nomor 12 itu making an email talking about two good changes in your work. And yeah, I think enough. Actually, it's more simple because the method is continuing from the past or from the previous meeting. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, please ask me to the group or LMS forum. Okay, and don't forget to give your health. Yeah, keep your healthiness. Jaga kesehatan baik-baik dan selamat beraktivitas. Assalamualaikum.